friend Schaefer from AIReal Yoga. The following is a video for reference only. Please make sure to follow all safety instructions. If you have any questions, do not guess. Safety is of our utmost priority. Please contact us at info@airialyoga.com. Do not wait. Elevate, alleviate, exhilarate. We want to make sure that the fabric is at hip height so that when you're pressing down, you feel a little tension, but you can draw your shoulder down. If your shoulder's up too high, then the fabric's going to be too high. If you have to sink down and it's too low, then that's probably too low for you. You want it right at shoulder height.
Now, that being said, everybody likes their hammock height a little bit different. It just depends on your proportions and your body type and what feels good to you. This is looking pretty good. I can do a layback with it feeling nice and supportive. And as I come up to do an inversion, I want to make sure that my head does not hit the floor. Making sure to always come down slow and controlled. This feels pretty good on the spine. Then from here, all that's left is to come up, take a moment to relax down in stage 2, and then slowly roll back up and come into a floating Shavasana.